Last among the list, by the way, that is the Sikh community. We've been talking about Sikh community from the Sikh Empire, by the way. Do you remember? After the downfall of Aurangzeb, by the way, the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, creating a Khalsa practice. Khalsa refers to that the purity in Sikhism has to be preserved. And the term Sikh, who is actually supposed to be a disciple, turned into a warrior. And that's how the 19th century is all about what the rise and fall of Sikh Empire. Now, what happened after the fall of Sikh Empire, Dalhousie period, 1850s onwards, you see, Sikh community had differences. Because of the advent of British in the Sikh Empire, what is called Punjab region, by the way, they also started bringing what? The English culture in them, like bringing Christianity, consuming meat, liquor, and certain English culture offended the Sikh community's interest. Are we clear about it? And that's how some turned into rebellion, some turned into purification movement. So the one that turned into rebellion turned into later, questioning the British in the form of Ghadar party later, supporting the cause, Kuka movement you talk about. On the other end, you see the movement which is going to be giving a purification movement. Let's wear a white cloths. Let's imbibe the great Sant words, by the way. Sikh is a kitab, al-kitab, only worshipper of the scripture, Adi Granth. Nirankari movement, Rawalpindi, Punjab founder, Bada Dayal Das, he was contemporary to Maharaj Ranjit Singh. Namdari movement, also known as Kukari movement, Kuka movement. Namdari, recite in the name of the 10 Sikh Gurus. When they're doing so, what happened in the meanwhile, they get a state of ecstasy. In the state of ecstasy, they make sounds, high sounds. Sometimes you'll be seeing in your mandirs and churches, some people do in a wide, sounds, that? So in that process, they make a sound called Kuka. That's why it is called as a Kuka movement. Founder Bhagwat Jawahar Mal, combination of Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay? Remember. Bhagat Jawahar Mal, Shian Sahib and Baba Balak Singh. Guru Gobind Singh as their only true Guru. And Sikh Guru as only true Guru, because they promote what? A concept of Sikh is not just a subservient, or we can say it's like a dedicated one. One who is a sharif. No, it's about like a lion. Only true Guru, and earlier 9 are not. It emerged as a powerful instrument of socialism reform movements among the Sikhs under Baba Ram Singh. You'll be learning upcoming in the Mayo period, by the way, he'll be caught and he'll be executed, and that will lead to the turning of this movement into dilution. Singh Sabha movement. The Singh Sabha opened a number of Khalsa schools and colleges in Punjab. Khalsa College at Amritsar 1892. Lala Lajpat Rai also support the cause of the Khalsa schools later. And that's how the National College formed at Punjab, at Lahore, by the way, that trained the future Bhagat Singh from there. Akali movement, Gurudwara. Here comes a question. Gurudwara is such a spiritual religious institution to Sikh community. Very spiritual, sentimental too. And that, when the in charge, or we can say the head of this Gurudwara called Mahat. Mahat meaning the in charges. Here what happening, they start getting corrupted because of the political corruption and also the financial corruption. So there is a necessity to reform the Gurudwara. And it was a Gandhi during the non-cooperation movement time, by the way. He said, why don't you conduct the elections democratically? And that's how a democratically institution established later called Akali Dal. So Akali movement is what you're going to call to remove the corruption existing in the Gurudwara. You understand? And to bring more purification in their lifestyle. Akali movement was an offshoot of Singh Sabha movement, objective of liberating the Sikh Gurudwaras, especially from the Mahat control, from the control of corrupted Mahants, priests. Leaders Baba Karak Singh and Tara Singh. Remember Tara Singh? Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, that was an offshoot, or we can say that's an output of consequence of Gurdwara movement. Controls all the activities of Gurdwaras. The president of SGPC, Baba Karak Singh. Baba Karak Singh was the first president of this SPC. The Punjab government also passed the Sikh Gurdwara and the Shrines Act 1922. There was Amritsar resolution. I hope you know that when you're reading your polity, Lakshmikant, there is interstate relations, center-state relations. In that you'll be seeing a Amritsar resolution. saying that the state should have their own identity, center should not impose on that. So one of the earliest state to raise against unitary form of government in India is Amritsar resolution, taken from here only.